Planning a move in Memphis, Tennessee? Whether it's across town or across the country, this video breaks down the 5 most important things you should know to make your move smooth and stress-free. For local moves within Memphis, most people pay between $400 and $900 for an average 2-bedroom home. The total depends on how much you're moving, stairs, or elevators, and whether you need packing help. Always ask for an upfront quote so you know what to expect. If you're moving out of Memphis or to another state, your cost is based on distance, shipment weight, and delivery time. Most long-distance moves take 2 to 4 days. Booking early helps secure the best rate and delivery window. Think beyond just loading a truck. Memphis moving companies offer full packing services, temporary storage, and specialty moving for large or fragile items like pianos or antiques. If you want to save money, handle light packing yourself and let the professionals manage heavy lifting and transport. Actually, to recap, know your moving costs, plan for long-distance timing, choose services wisely, move during off-peak times, and always use a licensed mover. With a little planning, your move in Memphis can be smooth, efficient, and affordable. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your move!